If you've ever wondered how to refurbish a headliner on your Mini, this little video might be a help. First, you need to remove the current headliner from the car. It's a simple process of removing the roof furniture such as the mirror, sun visors and handles. Once this has been done, it is quite easy just to wiggle out the liner from the pillars, bend slightly and pull out from the rear of the car. Like so. The next thing is to remove the current liner material. This simply peels off, and following that, you need to scrape and brush off the old adhesive and soundproofing material. Once this is done, you can start to fit new material using fabric adhesive capable of handling high temperatures. For our liner, we used a faux suede material in black. Black is a popular choice, but other colors such as blue, red or green look great too. Trim the liner and let the glue dry for a while. Then simply refit in the reverse procedure and voila! You now have a brand new, cool-looking roof liner in your car. And while very few on the outside will notice, you and your passengers will enjoy your new, more personal ride in your Mini. We hope you have enjoyed this tutorial video. Thank you to Skye Wallington and her beautiful R50, the Project Pip, for allowing us to use Pip for demonstration purposes. And visit minwar.com for more great features on the MINI R50, the original modern Mini and still the best Mini out there.